Hey guys, and welcome back to How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to disable auto refill in Badoo. Now let's begin. Do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in right now. Well, this is the interface, and right now we simply want to disable auto refill. For that, what we need to do is simply go to settings. Follow me step by step. Initially, let's go to profile. The buttons on the bottom right, simply click on it. Well, this is the profile page, and at the top right, it's giving you two options, that's settings and edit profile. Click on the first button, that's a gear-like icon, simply click on it, and then this will open up. Settings like basic info, notifications and everything, but worry not. Let's directly go to payment settings. The button's right here, just above about. Click on the button right here, and this will open up. Well, as you can see, I have not currently subscribed to Badoo. In case you have subscribed, it will show something like Badoo Premium, subscribe. And right here, as you can see, auto refill has been disabled. Click on this auto refill tab right here, and it's gonna give you a prompt whether you want to actually disable it or not. And right now, we do want to disable it, so click on disable. And guys, that's it. That's how you disable auto refill on Badoo. I'm simply gonna click on auto refill right now. Well, as you can see, I have not currently subscribed to anything. So guys, that's it. That's how we disable auto refill on Badoo. It's as easy as that. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.